Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make refried beans from a can. Drain the beans but save some liquid, then sauté onion and garlic in oil until soft. Add beans and reserved liquid, season with salt, cumin, and pepper, and simmer briefly. Mash to your preferred texture, adding oil or water if needed, then finish with a squeeze of lime for brightness. Gather 1 or 2 cans of beans, a skillet, a spatula, and a masher or immersion blender depending on your texture preference. Chop an onion and mince garlic, and measure oil, salt, and cumin to taste. Keep the can liquid to adjust consistency later. This setup makes the process smooth and keeps cleanup minimal while you move quickly from sautéing to mashing and finishing with fresh lime or cilantro. Start by heating oil and sautéing onion and garlic until translucent, which builds a flavorful base for the beans. Add the canned beans with some reserved can liquid, then simmer a few minutes so flavors blend. Mash with a masher for rustic texture or use an immersion blender for ultra smoothness. Taste and adjust salt, cumin, and acidity, then serve hot with toppings like cheese, cilantro, or a squeeze of lime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.